హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అందరికీ నమస్తే. ఈరోజు మనం కలంకారీ కాటన్ శారీస్ చూద్దాం. సో ఎస్, కలంకారీ కాటన్ శారీస్ on Jan 1st we have put a big sale and it was a huge hit, and now I'm going to show you some kalamkari cotton collections, a new catalog and the best selling sarees catalog also we'll start seeing. First one is nice lemon yellow color. This we have sold almost more than 100 pieces, 100 to 150. This is the best selling one. Open this ivarama first kabatti itla okay. So this is lemon yellow with the black color. So this is the best selling. All the ones which I am showing are the best selling and more sold pieces. These are pure cottons and blouse bits. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ప్యూర్ కాటన్స్. మంచిగా చాలా స్మూత్గా మెత్తగా ఉంటాయి వేసుకున్నప్పుడు. సో ఎస్, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద సారీ. బుటా వచ్చేసి యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ స్మాల్ ఫ్లవర్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బుటా హియర్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ పీస్. All the sarees are pure kalamkari cotton. This is lemon yellow with the black color. This is the blouse piece. Okay, blouse piece in the floral. Okay, the price of this is 750. The price of each of the sarees is 750. This is the pallu. You will be getting it in the nice peacock color design. Nice two peacocks. Okay, lemon yellow with the black color. The best selling saree. I have a customer picture also tried in the western style that I'll post as well. Okay, the price of this is 750. Lemon yellow with the black color saree. This is saree number 1. Next one. This is also a crazy hit in the sale on Jan 1st sale video. This is peach. This is nice pretty peach color. So this is the design with this tambura, a man with bura antaru. So that and all. So this is with the peach border. ఒక పని చేయి, నువ్వు బ్లౌజ్ పెట్టేటప్పుడు దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి బ్లౌజ్ పీస్ అని చూపించి నాకు పెట్టు, ఓకేనా? నేను మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళాలి కదా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ విత్ ద పీచ్, pretty peach color border. This is how it looks. Okay, బ్లౌజ్ పెట్టు. That's the blouse piece with the random lines on whole of the blouse. The blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse and this is the saree. Nice pretty peach orange color. Next a color bagunte a color chuskoni. Pretty peach orange color with black and white design on the body. This is how it looks. Pallu is again in the peacock border, big peacock. So this is how it looks. The price of this is 750. So this is a very pretty peach color. We have got numerous requests on that, so we have made it again. This is also very smooth lightweight cotton. So this is how it looks. Peach pink with black and white kalamkari. This is saree number 2. Next. So the next is in the green color. All the sarees which I am showing in row, all these are best selling sarees and loved by thousands and thousands of people and have given very good and in fact greater reviews. And also there are multiple purchases and the repeat purchases on all these sarees which I am showing. So this is the design with the green color. Idu em green o naaku teliyadu exactly. Bottle green kuda kaadu, some leaf green, dark leaf green. So this is the design on the border with leaves and peacock and pot. So this is dark leaf green. All these sarees, my customers, this was a very hit catalog. First time I'm doing the video. Before I have posted the pics as well. So pictures also I can show if you want. So all these are best selling sarees with the repeated number of orders and repeated customers since 3 months. So we are keep on repeating again. So I thought I'll do a nice video of this saree, so it will be more good. So this is the pallu with the peacock. This is dark leaf green blouse. So that is the blouse with the floral part, full black and white, black and cream color floral flowers you will be getting. So yeah, this is the blouse and this is the sari. The price of this is 750. These are very pretty colors and very pretty designs as well. So okay, when you see, when I put it on myself, when I put it on myself, you can you know, make out how pretty it looks. And these are very smooth and very affordable. See, the cottons are also very smooth and lightweight also. See, when I put also, it is not heavy. It is very lightweight and easy to carry. Okay, this is in the dark leaf green kalamkari with black and white blouse. Okay, the price of this is 750. This is sari number 3 in the best selling catalog.
Number 4.
3 bro. ఇది 4. This is sari number 4. It is in the same design as that of the leaf green. So this is in the grey color. This grey is also most loved and repeat buy from our customers. This is the grey with the black and white. So what we have done this time is we have included some in new colors and fancy colors which sings in trend with the current color catalog which people will like. This is grey with black and white. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting in with the peacock blouse. So that is the blouse. You will get the same blouse. So this is the same blouse like that of the leaf green sari. Yeah, this is the blouse you will be getting. So this is again a perfect match and it suits very good to the sari. So this is how it is. Grey with black and white combination with the same kind of design. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks when you pleat it. Okay, yeah, this is sari number 4. The price is 750 as well. So the next one is also a huge and you know, the best selling sari. This is in the dark maroon or the burgundy color. I think I have only 5 or 4 pieces left in this. So this is also, people give repeat orders for this sari. So this is a dyeing sari. So this is a dyeing sari. All over you will have the dyeing pattern. This is the border. This is the blue border with the zigzag design on the top. The blouse chupinch akada. So that is the blouse again with the lines and the stripes given. So this is the pallu you will be getting. So yeah, this is the sari and this is the blouse. This is how it looks. The price of this is also 750 rupees. So this is the pallu, you will be getting it in the blue peacock. The border is also in the blue. Okay, yeah. This is the full dyeing sari in the dark maroon or the burgundy color. This is how it looks when you drape. Okay. Yeah. The price of this is 750. Shipping will be there. I did not mention about the shipping. Shipping is 100 rupees on 100 rupees. Minimum shipping is 100. If you buy one saree, it is 100. If you buy 2 sarees also, it is 100. About 3, it is 150. Okay, this is how it looks. Dark burgundy or maroon color with the blue color border. Next saree. This is also from the best selling catalog, but it is added little late, and of course it is sold more pieces. When compared to those, it is less because it is added little late. So this is the mustard color with the black color border. So this is the design that you get on the mustard saree. So complete lines with the circle and the flowers. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. Pallu is in the peacock in the black color combination. So so that's the blouse again with the stripes design. You will be getting the blouse. So this is the blouse and this is the sari. I think the vision when you see, it's very much clear this time. Okay, yeah, this is the blouse and this is the sari with the black border and the mustard color body. Okay, the price of this is also 750. This is how it looks. mustard color with the black and white color combination. The price is 750. So this is in the mango design with the red color border. This particular saree also in the sale video, it has gone crazy hit, and we are sold out all on the same day. This is the mango design. This is called border dyeing sarees. In the border you will be getting dyeing on both the sides, like the peach color saree that I have shown. This is with the mango design with the red color border. Okay, this is how it looks. Mango design with the red color border. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. Faster. So that's the blouse. A small cute buttas you will be getting. Cute buttas you will be getting for the blouse. So this is how it is now. So this is the blouse you will be getting, and this is the border dyeing saree with the red color combination. And this saree we have restocked. There were a lot of requests for this saree, and now we have restocked this saree in the best selling cotton sarees catalog. So yeah, this is how it is. The price of this is also 750. Red border dyeing saree. This is how it looks. Okay, 11 minutes slow just now. So this is in the same design. This is in the yellow color, mango design with the yellow color border dyeing. So this is how it looks. The look, the description and everything will be the same. This is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting it in the peacock design blouse. Blouse you will be getting it in the small water drop model design on the cream color background. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the saree and this is the blouse. Nice bright lemon yellow border dyeing saree. This is how it looks. Hope it is clear. So this is the pallu and this is the saree. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's very pretty and bright. Okay, all over mango design you will be getting. The price of this is also 750. Next, fast. So the next one in the best selling cotton sarees catalog, the next one is the red color saree. Full red color body, full dyeing you will have. Full red color saree body dyeing you will have. So here you will be having the peacock border. One second. Then yeah, this full peacock border you will be getting. In the big border you will be getting the peacock. This will be very good if you wear it on the single pleat. Yeah, this is how it looks. Nice big border you will be getting, peacock border here on the body. Okay, this is how it looks. On the other side also you will be getting the same big peacock border. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the big peacock with the yellow color and some red color design. Okay, this is how it looks. Blouse. So that's the blouse design with cream and nice cute flower buttas all over the petty. Yeah, this is the blouse. This is the blouse design you will be getting, and this is the saree. Full red color saree with white color, with cream or beige color with the flower butta design. This is how it looks. Nice big border saree you'll get. So people, most of them like big border sarees. Okay, the price of this is also 750. So the next one is also in the emerald green with again the big border. So this is big border. It is in the mango design. Emerald green full body dyeing and the mango design in the big border. On both the sides you will be getting the same big border like this. So you'll have a different kind of pallu for this. So identi block printer. No. So this is in the mix of hand print design. Unlike all the other sarees, this is a different one. So the pallu you will be getting like this. This is the pallu with full peacock design, and here you will be getting the mango design. Okay, blouse to print. Blouse also you will get it in the hand print. So that's the blouse piece. So this is little different compared to that of the other sarees. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice big border, cream color complemented on both the sides, and emerald green color body in the center. So okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. Okay, this is how it looks, emerald green with big mango leaf border. Okay, the price is 750. Next is also a dyeing saree, very pretty violet color with the same as that of the green color. This is also a big mango design on both the sides you will be getting. Pallu is also a very beautiful one. See, this is the pallu you will be getting. Very nice, rich and beautiful colors. So this is the mango design you will be getting. On both the sides you will be getting the same mango design. And this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting nice peacocks in the black color. So this black and this violet is completely, it is a full colorful combination. So that's the blouse piece. Blouse piece you will be getting it in the handprint design in the combination of blue and black with the cream color background. Come. It's a very pretty one. It's a very pretty one. This is how it looks. Okay. So this is the blouse. How you get the blouse? This is the blouse and this is the saree. Definitely you should try a new kind of saree. This is a new kind of one, violet with the handprint kalamkari. Okay, violet. This is also best selling one. Violet is a very bright. It looks very beautiful on your face. The price is 750. Violet one. In the same model we have black. So we have three: emerald green, violet, and the black as well. So for the black also you will be getting that mango design on both the sides. So this black is also mostly, more number of pieces were sold in the before show. So this is the pallu design you will be having with the peacocks. This is how it is. Blouse chupinchu. So that is the blouse design you will be having. Blouse also in the same pattern that you have got for the violet one. So this is the blouse design you will be getting in the handprint kalamkari design. So this is how it looks finally. Okay, this is how it looks. Black color, big mango leaf design with on both the sides with handprint kalamkari blouse. Okay, the price of this is also 750. Next is also a dyeing saree. People have requested, most of the people has requested for dyeing saree. So dyeing saree as in, so in between you will not have any design, only the border highlights design you will have. So this is the design on the border, on the dark blue color with the peacock design, and in middle it is a mustard color. So these also more number of pieces sold. This is also comes in the bestseller catalog. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be having a colorful peacock. So this is the pallu and this is the body. This is how it looks. See how beautiful it is when you wear. So this particular colors and particular this best selling catalog, every saree is the best blouse. So that's the blouse piece. So flower bunch, buttas all over. Yeah. Okay. This is the saree and this is the blouse. Yeah, so this is how it looks, the final look. Dark mustard yellow color with the blue color, dark mustard yellow color with the blue color border on both the sides. Okay, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Saree with the blouse. The price is 750. This is the final look, how it looks. Pallu, saree and the blouse. Hope it's clear. Pallu, saree and the blouse. Next is in light leaf green color. It's a light shade of leaf green. So this is the border you will be getting. This is the border you will be getting for the leaf green with the pink color combination. And you know what, for the sarees, this kind of sarees costs more than that of the full design sarees. but we are giving all the sarees at the same price. This will cost 100 to 150 more than that of the sarees which have full design. So these are we get in very less quantity, or the demand is also high for this type of dyeing sarees. Okay, anyways, so this is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting it in the big peacock. This is the pallu, very beautiful big peacock. Yeah. So that's the blouse. The blouse have a small cute peacock buttas all over the blouse on the white, on the beige color background. So this is the blouse, and this is the sari, green with the pink color combination, and the pallu is also in the pink contrast. See how beautiful all the saris are. So this particular sari also, it costs more, but we are giving it just 750 only. These are fixed price because I don't want to differentiate between the categories. So all the saris which I am showing are for 750 only. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice leaf, light leaf green color with the pink color body on the borders and peacocks. Bordering. So the next one we are going to see. So all the saris which I am showing, all are best selling saris from in the new catalog which was in last 2 months. So this is another sari in that. So on a one side it comes a very big border. So this particular design, this particular design with the full stems and peacocks, this is the most famous design in kalamkari prints. Either it is pen kalamkari or normal block print kalamkari. So this comes with a very big peacock border on both the sides. With the body you'll be having in this pattern. So this is the pallu. Pallu will be having in peacock design. Center peacock with the stems you'll be having. This is the pallu. Blouse. So that is the blouse. That's the blouse part with flower design, small and big flowers. This particular saree, then you see as a photograph or something, if you wear, it looks very good. It comes completely in the perfect kalamkari combination, which is in the beige and the black color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Full floral, black and beige color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. Yeah, this is how it looks. It is full in the full kalamkari kind of color combination. The price of this is also 750. This is how it looks. This is the design. Okay, next saree. Next is also in the border dyeing color combination. Nice bright lemon yellow with cream color background floral you'll be getting. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is the flowers that I've already shown. This is the flowers in the red and the white on the cream color background. So the pallu you'll be, so for this pallu we have not colored the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting in the outline sketch design of peacock. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay, on both the sides you'll be having a big border. So that is the small leaf designed flower, buttas all over. So that is the blouse piece. So that's the blouse piece. This is how it looks. Border dyeing looks very good if you pleat the sari also. This is the blouse, how it looks, and this is the sari with the lemon yellow color border dyeing on both the sides. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. Okay, this is how it looks. Lemon yellow border dyeing, price is 750. So this is the patko. So this design I have already explained in the previous video as well. I'm just explaining it again. You would have seen it very rare. So we get 3 partitions of design here. So this is one kind of partition. This is with the cows and all, and this is again a different design. So 3 different designs you will be getting for this saree. So it comes in the parallel line design. So this is also a old and a very hit design in this in kalamkari. So this pattern is a very oldest design, but also a very classic, traditional and a unique design. So after a long time we have again launched it now. So this is how it looks. 3 layers, and the border you'll be getting it again here like this. So all these are traditional motifs on the traditional designs that you get on the saree. Blouse to pinch. Almost all the blouses for the kalamkari, you know, it comes in this pattern in the beige color background, most of the blouse designs. So this is in the some star design, so that is the design of for the blouse. So this is the blouse design that you get for this saree. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting here in like this. So this is the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful design. See the ladies with the tambura and all, the peacock, the leaves. So every possible thing that makes beautiful it has given. So dancing women, music women that you see on the temples and all, that kind of motifs you can see everywhere. So this is how it looks. So I prefer to wear it on the single pleat because it shows off the design. So this is how it looks. Okay. So prefer to wear it on single pallu to show off the design. It looks more elegant and more reachable. Okay, the price of this is also 750. So this is another best selling one from the old catalog. So I have only 3 pieces in this. So this is the red with the mango and the leaf design like this. So this is the design with the floral border. Okay, this is how it looks. This is one of the one from the old catalog, but this is also a very best selling one. So I have only 3 pieces left in this design. This is the overall design you will be getting for this. So this is the pallu, blouse to pinch. This is the pallu with the 2 peacocks. That's the blouse. Blouse you will be getting in the mango design with the green and black color combination. So this is the blouse piece. Blouse again comes in the contrast. For the red you will be getting the white color. So yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. So this is a bit colorful one when compared to the others. So this comes with the full overall design. So this is in the red mango design. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. Next. So the next one is again in the black and cream color geometric boxes design. Slow chapala. Okay. So full geometric designs, geometric design you will get for the all over the saree. So this is the exact design you will be getting. Okay, the irregular pattern of this geometric design. So this is the border. We have a reference image of this as well. You can check out in the page. Blouse to pinch. So that's the blouse piece with the floral buttas. So this is the blouse piece. So this is the saree. Pallu you will be getting in the peacocks, in center peacock with the flower designs around it. So this is the blouse for the saree, and this is the whole saree. This is a very beautiful one in the black and cream color combination. So in black and cream you have different kind of designs that I have shown today. One is full floral, one is 3-layered parallel line design, and this one is a irregular geometric pattern design. So whatever you want you can choose, but if you really love kalamkari you should definitely have the one in this color combination. When you really drape it, it looks very pretty. So this is how it is. This is the whole design. This is the pallu. Next. So this is the orange color with blue and green color combination, full orange floral saree. This doesn't have a border on the border on the top, so you'll have a small cute border at the end of the saree, I mean other end of the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu. You'll get it in the two peacocks. Okay, and that's the blouse. Blouse is a very pretty blouse you'll be getting. Blouse you'll be getting in blue color, white and green color combination. Yeah, let us see. So this is the blouse piece in the cream color background with the floral. So this is how it is. Orange color, full floral saree. Okay, this is how it looks. So with the, unlike the very big borders, the small border also it suits very good, because all the other part of the saree you'll be having the design completely. So this is how it looks. Nice orange floral saree with the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. Next, and this particular design, this is the one irresistible and the top seller of all this catalog. Now I'm showing this. We have sold more than 200 pieces, believe me. So yeah, this one in the black color background, that is in the orange color background, this is in the black color background. So this is the top seller of this catalog that we have sold till now. So this is the one, black color with the red and mustard color flowers. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, so that's the blouse piece. Blouse you'll be getting it in the yellow and the red color with the white color background blouse, the pette blouse. So this is the pallu. Okay, this is the blouse piece in the white color background with the cream and red color combination, and this is the small border you'll be getting. So I'll not show you the border. So this is the flower design, and this is a small border. So this is how it looks. Black color all over floral saree with the cream color blouse, and the pallu I have shown you already, the peacock color pallu. So okay, the price of this is also, this is the top seller, that which I have already told. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. So this is the pallu. Okay, the price of this is also 750. Black floral saree. Last ingoti unda. In the dyeing saree, this is one. We have seen one in the red color. This is in the black color. Full black dyeing saree with the mustard mustard yellow color peacock motifs on both the sides. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful one. So none of the saree is less. All the sarees are the best selling sarees in this catalog now, which I have shown you. Almost some 25 sarees. All are best selling, and all are mostly sold more than 50 pieces easily. No, 100. So mostly all of them. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu in the peacock. Okay, and that's the blouse. So the blouse is in the cute flower design. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the cream background with the small cute floral print. See, so I've covered my whole dress that I'm wearing. So this is how it looks. Black floral with nice big border with the cute buttas. Arre adu madhilo chupichalsinde. Okate unda, okkalre unda. Only blue, black ledu. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nice rich big border on both the sides. Black with mustard color combination. This is how it looks. See how pretty it is. So the price of this is also 750. Full dyeing saree with the mustard color border. This is how it looks. So wish I would have shown you in the middle, but that's okay. I request people to watch the live till till the end. So this is the half and half saree. So in the frills you will be getting the so in the frills you will be getting this kalamkari design. So this is half and half saree, or you can call it as langaoni style as well. all the dyeing you will be having the design all over, and only in the frills you will be having this design. Okay, so this is only single piece. I mean, like the single color, only one color is available in this. This is dark navy blue. So this is the small border in the mustard color, I mean mustard yellow color on both the sides. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu you'll be getting. So this is the pallu design. This is the pallu design for the half and half saree, and that's the blouse. Blouse you will be having the border with the center design design of the saree like that. Okay, the half and half saree is for 850 rupees. All the other sarees are 750. Only this saree, it is dyeing and also hand print kalamkari, that too in the langaoni style. Okay, this is the saree and this is the blouse. Okay, this is the saree and this is the blouse, how it looks. The price is 850 rupees. I'll just show you how it is, how it will be. So this particular, it comes, you'll get the frills in the middle. Okay. So this, for this frills you will be getting here like this. Okay. So you can see this is the frills you will be getting. So beneath this, so this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this frills you will be getting here at the center, and the pallu is common. Only this flare part you will be getting in the frills like this. Better? Okay, hope it is clear. The price of this is 850. So with this I'm ending the best selling kalamkari cotton sarees catalog show. Hope you have liked all the collections. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me with their requirement. And yes, we'll come back with another live show, another recorded show of the collections. Thank you so much. Bye.